Why you think they call it a hurricane? That's the spirit of a black woman for what you did for slavery. All hurricanes start at West Africa at the same spot where the slaves was put on the ship. All hurricanes stay underwater and follow the same trail the slave ship followed. It'll hit this country and come up the East Coast all the way to Maine. Maine is as close to Canada as I am to this mic, but Canada's never.
Spirit is energy, and energy cannot be destroyed. Our ancestors who suffered through the Atlantic slave trade still remember the paths of the slave ships, and nature is their representative, and God is their pilot.
Hurricanes get born. Well, a lot of the ones that hit the east coast of the United States start by Western Africa. There are disturbances out over that part of the Atlantic, and as they move towards the United States, if there's warm enough water, they get more and more powerful. As they get near the coast, that's when they start to form into really powerful hurricanes. Now, sometimes they start over there and they peter out. But here's the problem. Right now, the Atlantic Ocean is getting warmer and warmer almost every year. That's real food for these huge hurricanes. So as you look forward, look towards Africa, look at the temperature in the Atlantic, and that's going to tell you something about hurricanes.
Tracking Hurricane Milton this evening and captured this on infrared satellite. This is creepy. Now look, I'm very logical, okay? I understand pareidolia. I know what that is. We will often see shapes, faces in things like clouds, burnt toast, hurricanes, right? I understand the phenomenon, but that doesn't make this any less creepy to see. And by the way, this isn't the only time or the first time this has happened in a hurricane. These rotating storms can take on certain shapes and images that are unsettling. So again, like in my mind, I can process that that's all very logical. But this is a very well-defined looking face. You can see like a bulbous nose. You can even see like lips on this thing and a chin. I mean, it's unsettling. It's creepy. So this is what, as of 9:55 p.m. on Tuesday anyway, this Category 5 storm looked like. So continuing to track this storm, incredibly dangerous. I'm just filled with dread thinking about where it's headed and what it's going to do. This, of course, just didn't help.